कौटिल्य अर्थशास्त्र ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਕਰੀਏ extremely sophisticated and detailed treatise a statecraft ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ. The book referred to several previous works on the subject, none of which has survived. ਅਰਥਸ਼ਾਸਤਰ ਦਾ ਮਤਲਬ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਪੋਲੀਟੀਕਲ ਸਾਇੰਸ, ਇਕਨੋਮਿਕ ਸਾਇੰਸ, ਸਿੰਪਲੀ ਏਅਰਕ੍ਰਾਫਟ. Legitimate goals of human existence. It stands for material well-being. ਠੀਕ ਆ. Earth is superior to dharma and calm sensual pleasure because superior to dharma and calm. Calm मतलब sensual pleasure because the later are dependent on it. ਜਿਹੜਾ ਕਿ sensual pleasure ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਜਾਂ ਧਰਮ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਤੋਂ ਵੀ superior ਜਿਹੜਾ ਅਰਥ ਆ that is political science, economic science say aircraft. Earth has a livelihood. Earth has a livelihood of man of which the source is the earth inhabited by. Earth has a livelihood of man ਦਾ livelihood ਆ ਵੈਲਬਿੰਗ ਚਾਹੀਦੀ ਹੈ ਤਾਂ ਉਹਦੇ ਲਈ ਅਰਥ ਇਜ਼ ਇੰਪੋਰਟੈਂਟ. ਅਰਥ ਇੱਕ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਨਾਲ ਲਿਵਲੀਹੁੱਡ ਆ ਮੈਨ ਦੀ ਆਫ ਵਿਚ ਦਾ ਸੋਰਸ ਇਜ਼ ਦਾ ਅਰਥ ਇਨਹੈਬਿਟਡ ਬਾਏ ਦਾ ਪੀਪਲ. ਅਰਥ ਸ਼ਾਸਤਰ ਇਜ਼ ਦਾ ਬ੍ਰਾਂਚ ਆਫ ਲਰਨਿੰਗ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਡੀਲ ਕਰਦੀ ਆ ਮੀਨਸ ਆਫ ਐਕੁਜ਼ੀਸ਼ਨ ਔਰ ਪ੍ਰੋਟੈਕਸ਼ਨ ਕਿ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਐਕਵਾਇਰ ਕਰਨਾ ਅਰਥ ਨੂੰ, ਕਿਵੇਂ ਪ੍ਰੋਟੈਕਟ ਕਰਨਾ ਅਰਥ ਨੂੰ, ਜਿਹੜਾ ਕਿ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਦਾ ਲਿਵਲੀਹੁੱਡ ਆ. ਲੋਕਾਂ ਦਾ ਕੀ ਹੈ? ਲਿਵਲੀਹੁੱਡ ਆ. ਠੀਕ ਹੈ. ਆ ਵੇਖੋ ਇਹ ਕਾਫੀ ਵੱਡਾ ਹੈ ਪਰ ਆਈ ਵਿਲ ਡੂ ਇਟ. ਸੋ ਅਰਥਸ਼ਾਸਤਰ ਇਜ਼ ਇਨ ਫੈਕਟ ਦਾ ਸਾਇੰਸ ਆਫ ਸਟੇਟ ਕਰਾਫਟ. ਇੱਕ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਨਾਲ ਇਟ ਇਜ਼ ਦਾ ਸਾਇੰਸ ਆਫ ਸਟੇਟ ਕਰਾਫਟ. ਕੌਟਿਲਿਆ ਬੁੱਕ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ 15 ਬੁੱਕਾਂ ਨੇ. ਫਸਟ 5 ਡੀਲ ਕਰਦੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਇੰਟਰਨਲ ਐਡਮਿਨਿਸਟ੍ਰੇਸ਼ਨ ਨਾਲ. ਨੈਕਸਟ 8 ਵਿਦ interstate relations. The last 2 miscellaneous topic. Major problem using it as source of history. Difference of opinion regarding its date and authorship. The tradition views that it is a work of 4th century BCE written by Kautilya, also known as Chanakya or Vishnugupta, who became Chandragupta's CM after helping him overthrow the Nandas. This view is supported by 2 verses in the text. ਠੀਕ ਆ. ਉਹਦੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਲੇਟਰ ਵਰਕਸ ਸਚ ਹੈਜ਼ ਜਿਵੇਂ ਕਾਮਦਕਾਜ਼ ਨੀਤੀ ਸਾਰਾ, ਦੰਦਿਨੀਸ ਦਸ਼ ਕੁਮਾਰ ਚਰਿਤਾ, ਵਿਸ਼ਖਾਦਤਾ, ਮੁੱਧ ਰਾਕਸ਼ਸ, ਬਾਨਭਟਸ ਕਦੰਬਰੀ ਸਪੋਰਟ ਦਿਸ ਟ੍ਰੈਡੀਸ਼ਨਲ ਵਿਊ. ਇਸ ਵਿਊ ਨੂੰ ਸਪੋਰਟ ਕਰਦੀਆਂ ਨੇ. ਨੈਕਸਟ ਹੈਗਾ ਦਿਸ ਵਿਊ ਹੈਜ਼ ਬੀਨ ਕੁਐਸਚਨਡ ਔਨ ਸੈਵਰਲ ਗਰਾਊਂਡਸ. The verses has been dismissed as later interpolation. It is argued that Kautilya's name in the title of the book could mean has taught or led by Kautilya. There is no reference of Kautilya name in Patanjali's ਦੇ ਮਹਾਭਾਸ਼ਯ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ Kautilya ਦੇ name ਦਾ reference which means Maurya and assembly of Chandragupta. ਮਹਾਭਾਸ਼ਯ ਇੱਕ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਨਾਲ ਬੁੱਕ ਆ ਗ੍ਰਾਮਰ ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ and refer to historical personalities and event only accidentally in order to illustrate grammatical rules. चौथा हैगा Megasthenes were associated with Chandragupta who doesn't mention Kautilya in Indica. Megasthenes Indica survive in fragments paraphrased in the writings of later authors. Objection that the Arthashastra is the work of scholar and not of someone actively involved in the nitty-gritty of politics is not convincing. ठीक है. अर्थशास्त्र discussion of interstate relation seems to refer to a small or moderate sized state, not a large empire of Maurya type. But text doesn't emphasize imperial ideas and ambitions. The entire discussion of statecraft is from the point of view of Vijaykushu, the would-be conqueror who desired to conquer the entire subcontinent. But the outline of an elaborate administrative structure and generous salaries recommended for official do suggest that the author had a large, well-established polity in mind. A comparison of the Arthashastra and Megasthenes Indica reveals several differences in their discussion. City administration, army administration, taxation. So two works could not belongingly probably belong to the same period. But since we showed that Megasthenes was Chandragupta Maurya's contemporary, Arthashastra must belong to some later time. The Megasthene was not the most acute of observers and got many things wrong, like India's all belong to king and there are no slaves and India's do not know writing. Megasthene work survives only in second-hand rephrase in later texts, so Indica cannot be used as a yardstick against which you measure the date of the Arthashastra. The Arthashastra doesn't contain any reference to Maurya, their empire, Chandragupta, or Patli. This is because it is a theoretical and not a descriptive work. Traditional viewpoint can be countered by this point. The Arthashastra is a treatise on statecraft for a king and discuss a potential, not an actual state. Both Arthashastra and Megasthene same period reasons the mention of Ajivikas as important reference to Sangha polities and the discussion of large scale establishment of agricultural settlements. ठीक है. On grounds of style, जेकर ਗੱਲ करी, the book seems to be earlier than Vasyana's Kama Sutra and Yajnavalkya's Smritis and also Manusmriti. The administrative structure of the text doesn't match any of other historical dynasty. According to Kangal Vishnu Gupta, the personal name of author Kautilya is Gotra name and Chanakya, son of Chanakya and patronym. He suggested that Kautilya may have written the book after having been insulted by the Nanda king before joining Chandragupta. The Arthashastra doesn't have a certain element of unity because later interpretation and remoldings. It can be used as a source of history for certain aspects of the period, but not a read book as source of history description of Maurya state or polity. ठीक है.